Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone, and this is Sherry's equipment from Indiana, and this is the initial checkout. And so we want to go through this telephone. It's all apart. There's some pieces that are broken, and we want to kind of show you the telephone a little bit. Now we have the base here, and I've removed the mounting screws here. We want to go ahead and set that to the side. I'll show you the inside of this telephone if you've never seen the inside of one of these bases for the telephone. And we're going to go through the base here and make sure there is no issues with the network, bell, and the keypad. But we have some other issues going on with some of the linkage is broke. And so Mickey needs some help here. We've got some little pieces that were sent in also. So we want to get a start on Mickey, and we're going to be repairing this telephone for Sherry. That kind of gives you a look at how that works if you've never seen one of these apart. So it's pretty often we get these in where they're taken apart and we need to repair them and then put them back together again. So we'll go ahead and take a short break, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this cool Mickey telephone. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are in the middle of the process of repairing this Mickey telephone, and we're going to run through a little bit about what's going on. Now we have the linkage and Mickey's arm that you would hang the receiver up on, so it's basically the cradle. That has been repaired. And so under normal use, there shouldn't be no issues with any kind of problems with it. Now, if the telephone is dropped or the handset gets slammed down on Mickey's arm, there may be an issue, but under normal working situations, it should be just fine. We also took the back of Mickey here and we repaired a standoff, and that standoff was broken out. And so basically when you put a screw in to tighten the back of Mickey here to the front of Mickey over here, the screw would have went all the way through and it would not have been holding Mickey together. So that was repaired. Now another issue that we found was on the base unit here. There is no polarity protect circuit. And so now what we want to do is we want to add a polarity protect circuit to this network, because we want Mickey to work properly no matter where you use this telephone. And so we're going to be installing a polarity protect circuit. We're going to go ahead and put Mickey back together here, and we'll get him on the front cover on the top, and we'll get him all back together again, and we'll go ahead and install our polarity protect circuit. We want to go through our keypad. We also want to go through the bell, the network, make sure all the connections are proper, and just kind of go through a little bit of everything while Mickey is in the shop. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this Mickey telephone. And we also want to mention that we installed our polarity protect circuit, and that way no matter where this Mickey telephone is plugged in, it will always work properly. And I also want to mention that this is our amplified pickup, and we use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkout so that we can hear the audio from the receiver. And we want to go ahead and ring this unit, and we'll do that with the analyzer. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time. Turn our amplifier on, give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So we know that this telephone is ringing in on a ring cycle. It's dialing out. It has transmit and receive. We can go ahead and push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out and totally takes the analyzer out of the situation. And we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone, and we'll make that call.
Good morning. We have express service available at almost every Auffenberg dealership. Open later during the week and Saturday for your convenience. Today is Sunday, April 12th. The time is 12:34. Current temperature 64 degrees. Mostly sunny today, high 68. Partly cloudy tonight, low 48. Sunday, partly cloudy, 20% chance of an afternoon shower, high 72.
We can hang up. We can call my number and it'll be busy. Go ahead and turn the amplifier off. Hang the handset up. Now that we know that this Mickey has been repaired, we can return them to Sherry and they can enjoy this telephone again. Very cool, original style Mickey Mouse telephone. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.